Today we're making giant mac and cheese chicken burger. Let's move towards the recipe. Take a large bowl, add 1/2 cup bacon bits. Now add 6 jalapenos, 2 cloves of garlic, shred chicken, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 1/2 cup cream cheese, 1 cup cheddar cheese, 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Now mix all the ingredients well, until evenly combined. Now set this prepared mixture in a mold. Freeze it overnight. Now take a large bowl and add jalapenos, 2 cup of cheddar cheese, salt, 500 grams bread flour. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Take another bowl, add 240 megaliters of lukewarm milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, 2 eggs, 50 megaliters of oil, and flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Spread some flour on a work surface. Form a shaggy mass of dough and knead the dough. Put it in another bowl and cover it with a plastic sheet. And let the dough rise for 1 hour. Now remove the sheet and bake it for 30 minutes at 180 Celsius. After bake it, spread 2 cups of seasoned flour and pour whisked eggs. Now spread 2 cups of breadcrumbs. And deep fry it. Spread mayonnaise and place lettuce and slice of chicken. Spread barbecue sauce and cover it with other slice of burger. Delicious giant mac and cheese chicken burger is ready to eat.